Georgia until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:02 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Buffington or near Canton, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and dime-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Canton, Cumming, Holly Springs, Ball Ground, Nelson, Free Home, Buffington, Hickory Flat, Drew, Union Hill, Marble Hill, Coal Mountain, High Tower, Matt, Silver City, Hollis Latham Reservoir, Holbrook, Lidentown, Duntown, and Rebus Mountain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.